Hey there, quick review on this OLANLY Home and Garden mat. I just took this out of the package. It lays fairly flat right out of the package, but it's definitely going to need a little bit of time to truly lay flat. This is machine washable, so you can throw it in your washer whenever it gets dirty. On the back, we've got a nice rubber material. It's not so sticky that it's going to damage your flooring or anything like that, but it's got a little bit of enough of a rubber texture that it's not going to slide around on your floor easily. It's also going to prevent water from seeping through. We'll do a water test here in a second. It's got a low pile material that it's made out of here. It's going to be pretty decently absorbent, I think, but not as absorbent as some of a thicker pile mat might be. But the advantage with this is it just kind of lays a little bit flatter on the floor and it's not a tripping hazard. And if your door swings a little bit lower to your floor, this is not going to sit very high off the floor, so you'll have plenty of clearance with your door swinging. Let's go ahead and take a little water and do a little absorption test here. Again, this is brand new, hasn't been washed or anything. And I'm just going to dump this on, and you'll see, I don't believe we're going to get any water that's actually going to come through on the underside. As far as absorption, you'll see it's starting to absorb in. It sat on the surface for a little while, but now it's soaked in pretty well. And then as we come around here and look on the bottom, it's completely dry, so you're not going to have water actually going through the mat if you bring some snow in on your shoes or something like that. Absorption, you know, that's a lot of water I just dumped on this, and it's kind of just sitting on top. Beat it up a little bit, but overall I feel like it absorbed into the mat pretty well. So nice design. Even being a little bit wet, still looks nice. Machine washable, so good product overall. I'd recommend it.